Feeding time. Stay. Come on, Snoopy. No, you stay. Get back in there. Prissy, stay. It's feeding time. Come on, Snoop. Here.
This is Tommy.
No, it ain't. That's Snoopy. Come on, Snoop. Here, buddy. Get it, bud. And there's Tommy. I hear you. There's Daffy. Here, Daff. Come get Daffy some. Come on, Daffy. Snoop. Here, look. Look, Snoop. You got some more right there.
I'm coming, guys. Are you going to stop here with it?
Yeah. Come on.
Watch Tommy because he'll go for... Watch him. Because he'll go for Tommy.
No fighting. No fighting. No fighting. Tommy, chill out. Chill out, Tom. Snoop. Snoopy. Come on, Molly. 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 There's Tommy Fury. And here comes Molly. Come on, Molly. Molly happens to be sitting on 9 eggs over there on that island. Come on, Molly. Come on. Go get it. Go get it here. Here, Snoop. You want this bread? You want this piece of bread, Snoop? You want it? Here. There you go. So here's some more to Molly. There's Daffy and Ringo coming, just running. That's Ringo, that's Daffy.
That's all she'll eat and then she's straight
Yeah,
back to her nest. She'll get her drink, she's had a few mouthfuls, and she's straight back to her nest. We're all happy now. Oh, I missed one over there.
Segregated birds, she don't come off, she's ready to come off.
No, there.
Just let them be.
It is. I can't do that.
Go over. There's one that didn't get anything sitting right there. That's looking at Donna. She's inside. Go on over there. So here comes Molly and Tommy back again. Foreign geese landing. These Molly and Tommy sitting with eggs. There's foreign geese landing. The English goose is like a friend to him, and he comes and bells out, "Stay!" Chrissy barking. There's Snoopy just standing on guard. There's Snoopy's woman there nesting on some eggs as well. Then Donna has 2 more geese up there that's nesting on eggs. And this is what you hear whenever new geese fly in. All these geese get to fighting. Geese that stay here don't like other geese flying in at all. Snoopy, stay here. And Snoop, he likes to fight. Snoop likes to fight, so he's going to where the action's at. Snoopy's coming to you. You need to come back down here. Come on, Snoopy. Come on, Snoop. See, and the fight's happening over there. The squabble is right there, if you can see him. Donna, get down here. Fucking quit acting. Just get down here. Come on, Snoop. It's all right. Yeah, Snoopy, that's the goose, and these 2 geese does not like any other geese around me or Donna. Come on, Snoop. It's all right. She starts shit with this feeding time.